Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, where we post videos related with apps just like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and many more other apps. And not just app, we also post videos related with software and many more other stuff, right? So if you want to get notified once we release our new video, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One to Step. Now let's move on with today's video, which is on how we guys can delete your TikTok account. So remember, TikTok is an app where you guys can watch short videos under 1 minute, but right now you can watch a video of 10-minute length as well, which is a new feature added by TikTok. But that's not what you should be focused on. Basically, today's video is on deleting your account on TikTok. And just a simple reminder from me to you guys, once you delete your TikTok account, all the video which was uploaded on a TikTok and all of your other information which is stored on TikTok is going to be deleted, which you can't recover. So you need to be really careful when you're deleting a TikTok account, because once it's gone, all right? But if you're watching this video, I hope you guys have made a firm decision like, I don't care about TikTok, I want to delete it. So let me show you guys the process. Just make sure you're sure that you want to do it. So just click on profile at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the three line, you want to click on setting and privacy. Once you click on setting and privacy, what you want to do is you want to click on manage account, which is the first option at the top. Once you click on manage account, there's the delete account button at the bottom. You want to click on delete account. Once you click on delete account, it's going to take you to your delete account page. It might take some time, depends on the speed of your internet. My internet's a bit slow, so it's taking a bit time. And at the top, you can click on skip, or you can choose any option from over here you want. But I like to go with skip because it's easy. Once you click on skip, over here you can click on by continuing, which means you agree to all the terms and service. Now, if you want to download all of your video and draft, you can click on request download, and all of your data is going to be downloaded. Not all, like most of your videos and other stuff, all right? So once you click on request download, your data could be downloaded. You click on continue, your account is deleted. So that's how you guys can delete your TikTok account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel One Step. Bye bye everybody.